people. Time for me to get my hair done. Just washed it. Look at it. Ooh, look at the comb through. Look at the comb through. Look at the comb through. Give you guys a quick 360. Damn. Yeah, appointments in an hour. Trains in like 40 minutes. So it's like a 10 minute train journey, then like a 5-minute walk. So yeah, this is it right now. I'll catch you, man, when I'm on the way out. I'm on the way to the train station. It's actually kind of sunny today. So yeah, let me flip it there. This guy's looking all nice and that. My train's in 20 minutes. I'll probably make it, I can't lie. At this speed, we'll see though. Sun is shining. The weather is sweet. Can't lie, it's looking. Today's gonna be a good day. We'll see though. Just check the time. I got 30 minutes. The way I'm walking, like, there's no urgency. Bro, let's pray I make this train. Made it on the train. Look at this sweat content. Sweat content is high, man. Train's even flipping delayed, like I ran for no reason. Here we go. Train's finally on the flipping move, man. Like, what? This is the time I was supposed to get to the other train station, and it left like, what, 3 minutes ago. So, looks like I'm gonna be late to my appointment. I'm not running because I'm already sweating as it is. We're almost there. I'm on the road. Jeez.
Is it like, I want to see the quality because I really wanted to get one.
Can I show you a video?
Yes, please. Are you gonna watch anything?
So much like that flipping same episode of Top Boy that I've been watching since the start of the year.
You detailed it really well today.
Did I?
Yeah.
I'm Detective Joanne Culver.
See what?
So
Quick.
Martha Scott.
Then again, I did wash it.
Yeah.
Oh.
I can't say too much here, but all you need to know is.
I feel like I do the back and the front well, and then it's like the middle. What's your plans for the summer?
So I'm going to Fiji. Come back on like the 3rd of July.
I thought you were going for 4 days.
No, I'm going in 4 days.
For how long?
A month.
Jeez, is that all paid for by the uni?
Yeah.
Halfway through the process. Shout out Brittany. Do you want to flip it?
How'd you flip it? Oh.
Did you see that? You just flip this.
Just give me my money.
Ah.
Do you want to show them?
To Shane. You have to understand.
Where should I put it?
Invested your money with a consortium. It's tied up in the summer house investment.
Well then fucking untie.
How long is it at the back? It's got some cheese. Got some inches on there.
Okay.
I remember the first time he did it in October. It was, yeah, he's done his hair. He did his hair when I did my hair last time. He was getting his hair cut by Elijah.
Oh, Sean.
Is that his name? Yeah, he did like Marbella skits recently.
All right, yeah.
Do you know his TikTok?
Sean.
Yeah, I forgot. I time-lapsed the second half, guys, so enough chattings. So what does this do? Tell them. Explain to the people.
It like makes everything like flat, gives it a bit of shine.
Black?
Flat.
Oh, I was gonna say. Am I using that special apparatus?
Yeah.
Nah, this thing feels nice though. Big deal. I feel like you should make it tie, it might fly off. I'll just hold it like this.
Huh?
I said I'll just hold it like this because I feel like it'll fly off if it no. What do you think of the hair? I think it looks good. What do you think?
It's good. The side's really nice.
My hair's actually growing. What? Thank God for growth. Shout out to Brittany. What's it? Brit's braids on everything, right?
Braids, yeah.
Come on. If you're in Manchester or Birmingham.
Got you guys.
If you wanna pay for her travel, she'll do that as well, no?
Nah.
You don't do that?
Not doing that.
Yeah, unlucky, mate.
Yeah.
Did her thing, man. Can't lie. I rate it. My head's looking mad oval, but it is what it is. All that's left now is for the trim. And I'll be looking fantabulous, as they say, innit? I'm gonna see my brother now, if he's active. Let's see what he's saying. Let's see what he thinks of the hair. But yeah, catch you guys. Finally back home. Bro, I'm actually so tired, man. It's been a long day. Been up from early. Show you guys the hair. Show you guys the hair in full. Ooh! Bro, this hair is sexy. I can't lie. I got a massive line on my head right now, but just need a trim to fix it up. Be looking 10-10, I'm telling you. When you turn my neck, bro, that shit is so tight. Like, but look at the growth, though. The inches. Back and as the uni offsides, man. Back in the same place where I got my hair done earlier. It's time to get a haircut. Slot freed up, and I'm actually exhausted. Almost missed the train again, and then don't even know where to start, man. Oh my days. Let's see if bro will get me right. This is the before, let's see the after. I'm tired, I'm exhausted. I almost missed the train. Almost missed the stop on the train. Oh, bro. About to get me right, yeah? When are you leaving for London? Fair enough. How's the missus? To London?
Huh? No, she will help me.
You said you have to book cab.
But you know to move my stuff here.
What the fuck?
I can't, no one's gonna come pick me up.
Is that not expensive?
Yeah, but no, I was just a bit...
Who even accept those trips? Like, does normal Uber do that?
Yeah. But it takes long for a driver to text.
Is it? There's. I'm gonna time lapse this. Final product. What are you saying? What do you think of this hairstyle?
That's me.
Yeah.
That's not ski store. Something different as well.
me see that video quickly. Calm. Take it for yes, calm. Thank you. Can we take a video of this?
Yeah.
On the 7th.
Tell me what you do, because I'm thinking of going pricing.
Bro, we're trying to find stuff to do. That place is, there's not a lot to do except from like sightseeing.
Literally. A cafe, that's it.
Bro, I definitely have the world's smallest front taper, man. I'm telling you.
No, you actually do. One of my videos, with
Oh my God, look at the trim Zeno. I'm not valid. Jeez. Probably, I don't know. Each time I get a new hairstyle, I just think it's the best one. It's because I keep on losing hella fat on my face, so I look even better, in my opinion, each time. This hairstyle is cold though, can't lie. Good thing I invested. I haven't seen a lot of people with this hair. I think I saw one guy, I haven't seen anyone else have this. So, yeah, to go to the train station. I think I might end it here. I'll catch you guys later. If not, probably I'm going to the gym. That's all I know for now. I'll end it here. If not, we'll continue with the vlog. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, comment what you think of the hairstyle. Catch you guys later. Safe. Finally on the train, man, to empty. Make the way there to the gym. I can't lie, my skin is looking good. I'm actually in love with this trim. I think I've said it like, what, 1 million times now. But I'm gassed. Today I think I'm going to train back or something. I don't know if I'm going to do it though. We'll see. Just depends on the mood. Last time I trained was like a couple of days ago. Took a little hiatus from the gym. I'm back on again. Well, not a hiatus, it was rest days, isn't it? Normal standard stuff. But I've been seeing some progress on my bench, I can't really lie, yeah. And even my lat pull downs, it's just, you know, the injury on my elbow. It's not really helping things, but we're doing good. And if you got to this part of the video, make sure you like, comment. Just like it, like the video, subscribe. Help a brother out, man. I'm trying to get to 1K. And then bigger and better. So just got to the gym after waiting like flipping an hour for this clown, bro. It's finished. Quick little back day and that. Looking decent, can't lie. This guy's back is more developed than mine was when I was